Let's start by recreating our example. I'm going to say int square bracket numbers equals, and then I'm just going to give it some values. If I want to get the first value out for printing it, for example, I'd have to use index 0. If I want to override a certain value, I could do it like this. For example, override the last value with 10, like this. Let me show you that it has changed. There we go. So let's run this so you can actually see what is happening. You can see the first time is printing a 1 because it's the first value of the array, and the last one has been updated to 10. You might wonder what happens if we try to print the entire array. Let me show this. And this doesn't look very helpful, does it? This is normal. If you see this happening, this doesn't mean that you're doing anything wrong. This is because an array is a reference type. And just like the equals method is a bit funky for reference types, same thing goes for when you try to print them. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And in the case of arrays, it doesn't work like this. So for now, until we've seen more complex coding constructs, when we want to print the values of the array, we have to specify the index of the element that we would like to print. There's one more thing that I like to show you here, and that's we can get the length out. So please mind, this length is a property, so there's no parentheses coming afterwards. So if we want to get the length of the array, we count like humans, and in this case, the length of the array is 5. We've had a look at arrays. We can use arrays to store multiple values in one variable. This actually concludes our basic coverage of variables. In the next section, we're going to have a look at the difference between primitive values and objects.